Hello, today we're going to be making some simple, quick, and yet delicious. We're going to be making Old Bay seasoning sauteed shrimp. We're going to use black pepper, butter, Old Bay seasoning, Sazon, garlic, and onion powder. What we're going to do, the shrimp has already been washed and cleaned. What we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and season up all the shrimp, and once I do that, I'll bring you back. Okay, you guys, there's a look at the seasoned up shrimp. They looking good. They're also smelling good. I have the butter heating up to the side. And it's only going to take about 4 or 5 minutes to actually saute these shrimps. So here's a good view. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. It smells absolutely amazing in here. Woo. So I'm going to go ahead and saute these up and bring you right back. I had to bring y'all back to look at that. Just look at that. Look at all that goodness. Woo. Just look at it. Okay, y'all, we back. Would you look at this? This is the amazing results of what we just did. I always like to eat mine in a salad form. So I hope y'all enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment. We will have more videos coming, at least 2 videos a week. And thank you. Please share.